Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can manage tires during a race in F1 24. The first thing that we can do is press B on Xbox, circle on PlayStation, or numpad 0 on your keyboard in order to open this menu in the bottom right corner. Then if we press one more time, over here we have pit window where we can choose the next tires. In addition to that, we can also open the voice command, so press right bumper on Xbox, R1 on keyboard, or choose the on keyboard in order to open the voice commands. And then over here we have set hot tires, or you can also switch by pressing B, circle, or numpad 0 one more time to another page where you will find even more information. So over here we have medium tires, soft tires, intermediates, and so on and so forth. Unfortunately, the voice command menu seems to be quite buggy. As you can see, it uses different options, even though I'm not really doing anything there, but this is how it works. And then of course when you pit, you will use different tires. So that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!